Students and my dear subscribers, this is K. Santosh Kumar, PGT Zoology. We are discussing the MCET Zoology classes in the YouTube channel. Okay, we are discussing some phylums, invertebrate phylums. Okay, last day we are discussing the phylum Platyhelminthes. Okay, and Nematohelminthes also. Today we learn the classification of Platyhelminthes and Nematohelminthes. Okay, we are coming to that phylum Platyhelminthes classification. The phylum Platyhelminthes can be classified into three subphylums. That's called Turbellaria, Trematoda, Cystoda. Turbellaria, Trematoda, Cystoda. Coming to that characters of Turbellaria, it's mostly survival as a free living, unsegmented flatworms without any segmentation on the body surface. That's called unsegmented. These are the unsegmented flatworms. Okay, and mostly free living. స్వేచ్ఛాజీవులుగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. The body bears the cilia and mucus forming structures which contain cilia and mucus forming structure, that is called rhabditis. Then the reproduction, what kind of the reproduction we have to see in these organisms? Sexual and asexual mode of reproduction are found in these platyhelminthes. Coming to development, we see the indirect development takes place in these Turbellaria. So when the organism to show the indirect development, they produce a larva. You have to find the free swimming larva produce, that's called Muller's larva. Muller's larva అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది. Then coming to the examples of these Turbellaria, Dugacia and Convoluta. It is Dugacia and Convoluta. Then coming to the Trematoda commonly called as a flukes. వీటిని flukes అని అంటారండి. Okay, and these are the parasitic forms survival on the other animals. Body is covered by a thick cuticle or tegument. Okay, its body is covered by the thick cuticle. దళసరి అవభాసం చేత ఆవరించబడి ఉంటుంది. And the ears two suckers అనేవి జోషకాలు రెండు ఉంటాయి. Okay, in these two suckers an oral and another one is ventral. Okay, oral అంటే పై భాగంలో పూర్వ భాగంలో ఉన్నాయండి, ఓరల్ ప్లేస్లో. అండ్ వెంట్రల్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి? ఉదరతలంలో ఉన్నాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఎసిటాబ్యులం. దట్స్ కాల్డ్ ఎసిటాబ్యులం. మౌత్ ఈజ్ యాంటీరియర్. ఓకేనా, పూర్వ భాగంలో ఏముందంటే మౌత్ ఉంది, నోరు ఉంది. అండ్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ ఈజ్ bifurcated and they are bisexuals. Means monoecious. Both the male and female reproductive organs consist in the single individual. That's called monoecious or bisexual. Okay, these are the bisexual. And life cycle complex with many hosts. Okay, the life cycle is a very complex because with many hosts and different types of the larvae are produced. That's called Miracidium, Sporocyst, Redia, Cercaria, Metacercaria. Okay, so Miracidium, Sporocyst, Redia, Cercaria and Metacercaria. Next example, Fasciola hepatica. In a liver fluke and enter. Cystosoma hematobium, blood fluke. Then coming to the Cystoda. Okay, Cystoda, it's commonly called as a tapeworms. With me, tapeworms and enter. These are all are endoparasites because the survival inside the host. That's why it's called as a endoparasite. అంతర పరాన్నజీవులుగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. And body is covered by the syncytial tegment. The body is covered by syncytial tegment. And they show pseudometamerism. What this means about the pseudometamerism? Okay, on the body wall of these cystodes have not shown the true metabolism. It's like a prophylactics. Okay, these metamers are called prophylactics. So you see that pseudo metamerism midya కంటి భవనం అనేది కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ స్కోలెక్స్, see the scolex contain hooks, suckers and bothridia. hooks కొక్కెలు అంట, suckers చోషకాలు, మరియు ఇంకేముంటాయి bothridia. It is a leaf like outgrowth. It is a leaf like outgrowth from the sucker, from the scolex, that is called bothridia, which helps in anchoring to the host organism. Host organism lo anchoring ki use avutunayi. And you see that mouth and gastrovascular cavity is absent. Mouth and gastrovascular cavity are absent, and these are the bisexuals or monoecious. These are called bisexual because both the male and female reproductive organs are found in single individual, that is called monoecious. And the life history is more complex with many hosts. Life history is more complex. Development is indirect. అప్రత్యక్ష అభివృద్ధి అనేది జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Development is indirect. And the organism to show that indirect development, they produce larva. That's called, what kind of the larva they produce in the cystoids? Cysticercus larva. Cysticercus larva. These are called as a bladder worm. Okay, we see that examples of this cystoda, Taenia soyum, we have found in the pigs. That's why it's called as a pork tapeworm. Then coming to the Echinococcus granulosus, it is one of the example of the cystoda. It's called as a dog tapeworm. These are okay. These are the all about classification of the Platyhelminthes: Turbellaria, Trematoda, Cystoda. Then coming to phylum Nematoda classification. Okay, so based on the sense organs, the phylum Nematoda classified into two subphylums: Aphasmedia, Phasmedia. Then coming to that characters of Aphasmedia. Okay, these have contained amphids. These amphids are the, what is the amphids? Amphids are the cuticular depressions around oral region or anterior region. It is a cuticular depressions around the oral region. It helps, it's performing a chemoreceptor in function. Okay, na chemoreceptor in function. రసాయనిక గ్రాహకాలుగా ఉపయోగపడుతూ ఉంటాయండి. Then plasmids are, what about plasmids? Plasmids are absent. So what is plasmid? Plasmids ante enti ante, okay, these are the glandulosecretory cells. These are the glandulosecretory cells. You have to find at the posterior part, that is called plasmids. Plasmids are absent in Aphasmedia. Coming to the examples, okay, Trichinella, Trichina worm ani antarandi, Trichinella. Trichure is next. Trichure, that is called whipworm. Then coming to Phasmedia. Phasmedia చూసినట్లయితే, so amphids are the simple. What are the amphids? The cuticular depressions around the oral region, that is called amphids. These amphids are simple in Phasmedia. The plasmids are present. Okay, you know that what is the plasmids? Plasmids are the glandulosecretory cells. We have to find at the posterior region of these worms. Then excretion, it's very well developed in Phasmedia. Then coming to the examples, Ascaris lumbricoides, roundworm, Ankylostoma duodenale, hookworm, Enterobis, pinworm, and Wuchereria branchiofti, filaria worm. Okay, these are all about classification of Platyhelminthes and classification of Nematoda or Nematyhelminthes. You want to more videos from me? You like my videos? Comment, share to your friends and subscribe my Santosh Zoology channel. Thank you, students.